Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving from Halfway Tree to New Kingston. Now Halfway Tree is a very busy place. It's a major transportation hub, and New Kingston is the largest business district in Jamaica. It's basically where you're going to, it's like Wall Street of Jamaica, where you find all the financial companies, the finance company, everything to do with business, finance in Jamaica, you'll find in New Kingston. Alright, so we're going to take a tour from the Halfway Tree area. Straight ahead is Old Hope Road. Across the light, that building is the Brooklyn supermarket. So we're going to go from the, I guess you could say, the center of Halfway Tree. On the left is Clock Tower Plaza. Straight ahead is the Halfway Tree clock. On the right is the taxi stand. Also on the right is Mandela Park. Now this intersection is it's where four main roads intersect. We are on Old Hope Road. We go straight across the light. That's Hagley Park Road, sorry. If we turn left, we go onto Halfway Tree Road, and the road on the right is Constant Spring Road. It's a one-way, so we can't turn right there. On the left is the NCB branch. That's what they call NCB Halfway Tree. And straight ahead on the right, that's the clock. Now that clock has been there for hundreds of years. It was put in by the English when Jamaica was a colony of the English. Okay, so we're now going to turn on to Halfway Tree Road and head down to New Kingston. There is also another way to get to New Kingston from Halfway Tree, where you take Hope Road up to Trafalgar Road and then Trafalgar Road into New Kingston. But we're taking it from this end today, so we are on Halfway Tree Road now. On the left, that tall building is a Usain Bolt building. I think it's call centers operating there. Alright, so we're going to take Halfway Tree Road down to Chelsea, actually down to Oxford Road, and then from Oxford Road we go into New Kingston. On the right is the Victoria Mutual branch, on the left is the St. Andrew Prep School, and it's one of the top schools in Jamaica. Also on the right is the entrance to the Holy Childhood High School, and the Holy Childhood Prep School is also on this road. Okay, at this intersection, on the right is Cargill Avenue, and on the left is Ruthven Road. There's also a Tasty location on the right, and Tasty is they sell patties in Jamaica. Okay, so that's Ruthven Road on the left, and that's where you'll find the JPS office. On the right is Balmoral Avenue, and that takes you back down to Maxfield Avenue and into Halfway Tree. On the right is a Tropical Battery location, very popular place to check your battery, etc. And on the left is the entrance to the hospital. On the left here is Chelsea Avenue, and you could also take Chelsea Avenue into New Kingston. On the left is the GIS office, and then on the right is the Webster Memorial Church. And then on the left now is another business facility. It's called 58 Halfway Tree Road, and they have a lot of call center companies over there. Call centers seem to be doing very well in Jamaica. I think the correct name is BPO, Business Processing Outsourcing, something like that. Okay, we are now on Oxford Road. If anybody can tell us the correct name for what BPO stands for, but I know they are call centers. You can leave a message in the comment section below. On the left is the NHT head office. Very nice organization. It's actually one of the best run government agencies I've come across. Okay, on the right is the Development Bank of Jamaica, and they were recently in the news because they are going to be merging with the Exim Bank of Jamaica. I'm not sure what's going on, but I heard that the Development Bank of Jamaica was to go public. So I don't know if the merger is a part of going public or they're not doing it again. Okay, on the right now, sorry, that large building that we just passed is the Pegasus, and that's the tallest building in Jamaica. Now we are now on Knutsford Boulevard, which is the main road in Jamaica. This is where you're going to find all the hotels. The tallest buildings in Jamaica or in New Kingston are on this road, most of them. That will give you an idea just how busy that road is. But we just turned on to Park Avenue because we're just going to take a quick tour. We are in New Kingston now. Straight ahead is a Courtyard Marriott, and very nice hotel. It's a new hotel. And straight ahead now is the NHT office. On the left is Emancipation Park, which is probably the nicest park in Jamaica. It's maintained by the NHT, so it definitely is well maintained. Now, I said earlier, NHT is probably one of the best run government agencies, and there you go. So the NHT now, their job is to give loans to persons to buy homes. So the way it works is you contribute to the NHT through a salary deduction. Your employer would take the salary out, the deduction out, the NHT deduction, and pay it over to the NHT. And when you do that, you become a part of the NHT. I think I call it a trust. And when you're ready to buy a home, you can then get a loan at a lower rate than the commercial bank. And it's a very well run, well organized institution, fully computerized. There are some government agencies that you go there and they're opening a book and scrolling through from 2010 to that's outdated. That's why I said the NHT is one of the best run agencies. Now the NHT does so well that they have so much money. Okay, on the right is the Courtney Hotel, and it's one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. It's on the list of the 20 tallest. Straight ahead, it used to be the Wyndham building, and that is, I think, the 4th tallest building in Jamaica. It was recently purchased by the Courtney Hotel, the owners of the Courtney Hotel. So this building is going to be a part of the Courtney Hotel when it's reopened. When it reopens, it's being renovated now. And straight ahead, that property is, those are the shops associated with the Wyndham, with the hotel. It's no longer the Wyndham. Okay, yes, what I was saying about the NHT. The NHT has so much money in it that whenever the government needs a loan or money to pop up the budget, they go to the NHT and they borrow the money. I'm not sure legally if it's borrowing or they give it to them, but they go to the NHT and NHT has so much money that they're able to help the government to maintain their budget. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.